All right, I'm Adam from GPM. I'm an applications engineer here. Here behind me, we're just finishing up a project for a natural gas power plant. What they got going on is they are providing the plant with another source of fuel. In the back, we have two Viking PD pumps. They are offloading fuel oil from the truck, pumping it to a tank. From the tank, it's going down the suction line to two Durcos. That's getting pumped to the injection skid. All in all, this is a plug-and-play system, so the customer can receive this whole unit and drop it in their plant, and we're ready to go.